ukuramizaga kuja bebemeza nukukezaho billion 11.
LCs, these villages, you are going to get water before the contractor finishes this project. First, we shall be done with the distribution network. So we are going to move concurrently. As the contractor is doing his work, we're also going to be doing our work.
Kandi we are sure for us as local leaders, we are very happy. No never problem in bagirango amizaga. Tigakuza kuoma. We've been here. Abataka bariyaha kurwaro izingira complaint ngwaye bakuza futeka na plant amisigaro.
Everyone benefits in this project, especially the local people, because this project is made to benefit each and every one.
Sima abantu mwena kukumuri kandi mugumize mu buhereza mutire
RDC abwa Bushenyi ahanoho ayonje kusima government.
Neki president of manifesto ye yakarura kahwira akajyanaza kugerata kushyaba amizi omubantu. So echeche nchoreka nkwenyine government iriyo nekoremerimo yayo. Mwe bari kutora na Bushenyi kugira project eji kandi na Ruhanga nawe nayikiriza abo kuba sausage no yaje hangira.
Amizaga gajindu kwera abantu abarengera omure emitwari 15.
Uriyo noreba makuru